Welcome back to Starfield. We're at New Atlantis. I just captured this Varun ship, and I'm going to show it off before I do the upgrades, and then I'm going to cut and do some upgrades, and then I'm going to come back and show you what I did to upgrade it. I already have some ideas. So this is a Varun Dirge. So it has 519 hull, 300 cargo, 210 fuel, 704 shield. That's with my perks. An A-class reactor. So I'll probably make this a B-class. Keep those A-class engines though, maybe. It's going to end up like the other ship from the last video. A lot of Shroud Eklund parts on this. So let's see what it has. It has the Viking cockpit, a control station, 1x1 hab, Shroud docker, and then it has 1x1 storeroom, 1x1 all-in-one berth, braking engine, landing gear, the landing bay, and then it has a Starlater 20A reactor. Where is the grav drive? Oh, no. Okay, here's the grav drive. So all that needs to be upgraded. Fuel. Here's the engines. I like these engines. I may upgrade those. If there is an upgrade, there might be an upgrade for those. Needs a better shield for sure. And then the weapons, PB-30 auto electron beams. And then it has auto cannons, and then a Shigami missile launcher. So not a whole lot going on with this ship. I'm not going to do a tour of the interior because I'm just changing what it looks like. Then we'll see the interior when it's done. So that is what it looks like now. I'll do a walk around here so you can see it. See the back of it because I already have ideas how to change the back of it. Alright, here we go. I rebuilt this ship. So as you can see from here, it has a different cockpit, docker, and a new location. We're going to do a walk around, and then I'm actually going to show you how I built this because I did some interesting things merging pieces together. So you got the landing bay, Shroud Eklund landing bay in the back, or on the side, I'm sorry. And then you have engines in the back. I went with a B-class engine in the middle and then the two A-class engines. I like it for these fighter style builds. We have our grav drive and reactor occupying the same space. And then we have Shroud Eklund stuff on the side. Then if you look right here, we have fuel tanks and these Shroud Eklund pieces. So we have guns, some turrets, more guns, some disruptor or some suppressors. There's the word I was looking for. And then we have this overseer cockpit kind of tucked in the way there. So let's hop inside. There's not much to the inside. And again, it changes the name to every ship I rebuild to U.S. Navy A cargo. So here we go. We got a 2-in-1 berth, I believe. And then we have another 2-in-1. That one might be a living quarters. This ladder takes us up to the overseer bridge. So, and then that door would be our docker right there. And if we come over here, we pop up here, we have a 1x1, and then we have a computer core. This was just to get the extra crew on there. So again, it's not a cargo vessel. It will not carry much. Just, I believe the only cargo on it is what is available through the cockpit. So I don't know if I mentioned it earlier in the video, but I have all the pieces that are not the pirate smuggling stuff unlocked here at Jemison. And I have a bunch of money. So here's the ship. So it's got a Vanguard shield, so it's got shield of 1450. Like I said, a cargo of 510, fuel of 420, crew of 6, B39 reactor, 30 light year jump, all that good stuff. So let's pull off this top layer here. We'll leave that part. I'll show you how that. So I pull this off like so. And then we have, well, turrets are still there. So we have this here. So we have one of those Strouds, and then we have these fuel tanks that are merged together. I'll show you how I did that. And then back here, we have the grav drive and the reactor grav drive. So I went with the Dogstar mag inertial reactor 39B grade. I have a B because of the shield, the weapons, and this one engine. So I used one of these SAE 5660 engines in the middle, and then 4 of these Class A SA 4330s. Not bad. And then 2 of these 210 fuel tanks from Ballistic Solutions. And then as for weaponry, I have Ballistic Solutions auto neutron turrets ×4. The Vanguard obliterator auto projectors ×6. And then 4 of these Firebolt 4000 suppressors. So, and then we have landing gear, AQ-11 lander, cowling, landing gear, and then nose cap. Then we have landing gear, landing bay, landing gear, and then again the engine. And in the middle we have living quarters, a 2-in-1 berth, and then a control station, and then a 1x1, and then the Vanguard bulwark shield, and like I said, the Hope Tech Overseer bridge. So how did I get all this stuff together? Well, first we have our grav drive, so we're going to place our grav drive there, and then I'm going to take this here and I'm going to place it on top of it, and hopefully this works for me. First try. So I'm going to duplicate it, select, duplicate, and then confirm it, delete these 2, select all with RLB, confirm, and now that's connected, and the grav drive and the reactor have been merged together. Also, it lowered it, so I gotta move these. Or it rose it up to connect to the turrets. So we're gonna move these out of the way here. And then we're gonna do a different method for the fuel tank. So I'm going to bring all this over. Like so. Yep, that lines up. So we got that, and then I'm going to take my fuel tanks, put them there, another fuel tank there, and then I'm going to put cockpit on, and then I'm going to grab, or actually I can do it with this. I'm going to duplicate this, place it, flip it. Oh, I did it too many times. Flip it to there, and then I'm going to put that right there. Then I'm going to take this like that, and then I'm going to, oh yeah, that's what I can do differently. So I was thinking I had to do it the other. So you can do the duplicate and drop it down, but you can also do it now. Okay, what is? Okay, maybe that is how I did it. Okay, let's. So I think, yeah, it won't let me drop it down. So duplicate, accept, duplicate, accept, duplicate, accept, delete these. Select all, confirm, confirm. So we should be connected, and then we'll duplicate this one, flip it. So we have a connection point on the top there. And then we're going to bring this one up here, and then we're going to duplicate, confirm, duplicate, select it, duplicate, select it, confirm it, delete all these, select it all, select, select, and then we're going to put our turrets back on. Maybe. So there we go. All right. So there we go. Little fighter here. So saw what it looked like before. This is what I did. It had I believe that was a Viking cockpit, and then the Docker was somewhere else. So I streamlined it. It's very boxy shape. I like. What's the error? Attached modules. What? The weapons. Okay. So these weapon plates clip on there. So there we go. So there we go. Now we're nominal again. All right. So again, 100 mobility, 140 top speed. Because of that one B class engine. If you did all A class, it would be higher. 340 cargo. Again, that's mainly from the cockpit. 1240 haul. Not too bad. So let's just back out of here. So that is that ship. So that was the conversion of that one. I'm running out of ship slots, so I will probably sell this one to the vendor and be done with it because I don't care for it. I like this fighter better.
Hey, what can I do for you? Okay, no problem.
Okay, so this is going to be the next video, so that's the next video. So this one, I hate it that it keeps renaming them. Okay, so this was another rebuild from the HEM. So this is my first rebuild from a HEM. I kept it the Varun HEM, so I kept it smaller, more narrow, and then I got another one of those doing a ship battle, and I did it this way. I made it longer, made it a little more aggressive. I put a Stroud Eklund cockpit you enter from the bottom on, so I'll be doing a video on that, on the conversion of that one. So it has more workstations, has also more cargo. It has 2,200 or 2,325 cargo. So I'll be doing a video on that one also, but I want to do that one ship next. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Take care and have a fantastical day.